The star herself, the one and only Julian San Jose. Let's give her a big round of applause.
Hello everyone! Good
Morning.
Good morning po sa inyo lahat, and thank you so much for being here. This is my song and I hope you guys like it. Salamat po ako. Thank you so much for your time and for being here. It means a lot to me. This is actually my first time to release a song independently. I wrote this song years ago. That's why it's very special to my heart kasi I felt like this is the right timing para i-release tong kanta ko. With everything that's, happening around us, I think positivity is what we all need right now. So sending love and light to everybody. And yeah.
Parang ito na talaga ang bagong simula.
Totoo yan. Actually,
Because you're now producing.
Oo, marami siyang meanings in different aspects of my life and our lives actually. And of course, to be able to relate to the people, I created a song that can resonate with kung ano man yung mga pinagdadaanan natin sa buhay natin. Diba? Ayun po, kaya pa ba? Kaya pa natin. Thank you so much po.
Napakaganda naman talaga.
Salamat po. Thank you.